All right, so today we're going to talk a little bit about exponents. Um, Real quick, I just want to show you a number with an exponent. And you might have seen something that looks like this, 2 and with a little 2 hanging up in the air. Okay, and you might have called this 2 squared or 2 to the second power. In this writing, the big number right here is the base. And so the base is the big number. And then the exponent is the little number hanging in the air. And it just kind of hangs up there. And it tells you how to, what power to put it to. So the power is also the little number. It's a word that gets used in reading these numbers. So this could be 3 to the 4th power. This number is 2 to the 5th power. This number is 10 to the 8th power. And that's just how you kind of read it. Okay, and I'm going to show you some examples. Down here we have 4 to the 4th power. And what that means now is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. It means that you're using the base 4 as a factor 4 times. Again, 7 to the 3rd power means I'm using 7 as the base. The 7 is a factor, and it's being factored 3 times. It's being multiplied by itself 3 times. 7 times 7 times 7. And then for 19 to the 1st power, 19 is being factored 1 time. And that just means 19. It means you have 119. Now, what do these equal? To do this, you have to take the first two. 4 times 4 is 16. Then you take that answer, 16 times 4, and you get 64. And then the last one, 64 times 4, would be, I'm going to do it over here just to make sure. I was doing it in my head, but 4 times 4 is 16, carry my 1, 24 plus 1 is 25, 256. And after a while, you kind of get to the point where you start memorizing these because you use them so often. If you turn this to the back side, there's something that you have to always remember. Anything to the 0 power equals 1. So any number that is to the 0 power will equal 1. Even a million to the 0 power equals 1. Now, tomorrow you'll be working on something that looks a little bit like this, and I will put those notes in my in the video for tomorrow's assignment on Thursday. But for today, you're going to have an assignment that is in the book. And I'm going to go get that book, and I will put that new video on next.